What's up, people? Welcome to episode 3 of Unboxing Tech with Strompuls. So, today we'll be unboxing Strompuls 11 kilowatt EV wall charger. Let's get started. Each unit is factory tested and packaged to ensure protection during transit and installation. Multi-layer packaging safeguards critical components and connectors. Whether at home or at the workplace, Strompuls delivers controlled, efficient power. At the core is a compact, high-efficiency charging unit. The box includes essential mounting hardware and charging accessories, everything required for a streamlined installation process. Safety and reliability remain central to the design philosophy, ensuring dependable charging session after session. The enclosure is designed for durability, heat management, and everyday exposure. A clean, minimal form factor ensures easy wall mounting in residential or commercial spaces. High-quality charging cable and connector designed for repeated daily use. Secure grip, reinforced insulation, and consistent electrical contact. Built for stable power delivery and long operational life. Strompuls EV charging solutions. Go electric, go green.